So me and Bob here. It was not like 1997.
Yeah, six.
Six.
Late '96 probably.
No, actually, no. Actually, I think it's 95. 90. Yeah. Summer '95. We were like together. We were like in the Bronx, and it was like a new area for us because we were on holiday, and it was like at the same time it was magical, but at the same time it was like a strange place. So we kind of felt like we were in this new strange area, but at the same time it felt like, oh, if I grew up here, it would have been perfect for me, for
we
my
had high
personality.
hopes of it.
Yeah, we were like, oh my god, like, okay, I'm getting emotional right now.
No, man, no. You said it before.
Okay, wait.
You said it before, man.
Okay, what's it?
Who cares? It's past now.
And there was a strip club. And I was like, man, I never went to a strip club. And he was like, come on, let's go. I was like, no, I don't want to go. And he was like really insisting because he loves strip clubs. And
the puss.
Yeah. And sorry, I'm just tearing a bit. And we walked in, and he got picked up by the girls immediately. And
those young girls better looking back.
Yeah. The day after, we found out that he had spent $500 on one stripper. Not bad, but like $500. Get better.
But the thing is, I used to make more back then.
Oh yeah.
So I was.
Oh yeah, he was like doing some gigs at some at the Prince's Palace, that big place, and there
I
was
didn't
like
care about money.
and there were artists. There was like Eldo G and like Johnny Wright, right?
Yeah,
those guys. Yeah, those were big fellows at the time.
Great friends of mine. Yeah.
Especially Johnny Wright. He was one of
He's
their
a great
pals.
guy, man.
Yeah, Johnny.
Hang
Oh
around,
man.
kind of.
Yeah. Anyway, we went.
He
to
always
the
buy all the booze though.
all
He
the-
always buy all the booze.
Oh yeah, he always.
we
said,
never
Right?
had it. I never spent a dime.
Exactly.
When I was
when
around
we were at
him.
the Bronx, we never spent a dime on alcohol. Like Johnny. What's the surname? Anyway, Johnny always
His
bought.
surname, yeah.
Yeah, I always forget. It's like
20 years
we call
ago,
him
right?
Johnny Blank because you always forget his surname. So Johnny
That's his
Blank,
nickname.
sometimes. Yeah, and basically we went to the strip club, and we got drugged, both of us, at one point.
Unintentionally, yeah.
And we ended up in this like weird torture room and that's how I lost this finger.
Fuck.
Yeah, it was fucked up. And
You tried to play guitar after that, right?
I played it. Yeah, I still play guitar, and I was jamming like crazy.
Sorry, man. I'm just curious.
And then we just woke up on the side of the street. I think it was like 3 days later. We were like in the garbage bin, right? We just woke up and we were like, "Fuck!" And this like garbage guy woke us up. Garbage guy. Yeah. And then it just came back to us. We're like, "Fuck!" That was a messed up night.
It's kind of a flashback for me. It's not
Yeah,
like
so it's
real. It's kind of a
Yeah, it sounds like dreamlike
Yeah.
almost, But I'm pretty sure it happens because the finger isn't there, so it must have happened. Look,
Yeah, heaven for sure.
obviously isn't there, right? You can see, right? Look, this is evidence, man. Right? And for some reason he became gay after that day. I don't know what happened. He was really homosexual.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he was like,
I thought I knew the guy. I always thought he was kind of feminine.
yeah.
But-
and he told me actually Johnny
Yeah.
Blank started shooting blanks. He found that out somehow.
Yeah.
That's
Can't come
That's
basically.
that's the second
Blanks.
story about Johnny Blank. That he coined the name Johnny Blank because of the two reasons.
Yeah.
And and he became a rapist and he was in jail for like 3 years, right? You raped.
Because he couldn't get evidence.
You raped an old
Because he
man,
can't
right?
come. Yeah. So.
Yeah.
So he was undetectable. He was like the best rapist ever.
He's tried to come up with excuses to cover the story, but he raped an old guy.
You can never find semen inside a victim.
Exactly, and
He
then
didn't produce.
and now he's homeless.
Yeah. You're talking about me?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah. Oh,
Yeah, this whole time I was talking about you.
Oh
man.
yeah.
No,
It's my other person.
no, because like basically they did some torture to his brain and he lost like something. But it's okay, guys. Like, just listen to the story from my perspective. You know, this is touching and heartwarming for me because it's really a big moment of my life, a life-changing moment. But he's a good fella. I love him. You know, we've been friends for like 21 years at least. We used to like play with dog turds and sticks when we were like 5. He doesn't remember. It's okay. And that's our story. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.